Today I'm going to show you how to earn $5 every single minute by watching videos online. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna show you step by step how to earn $5 every single minute by watching videos online without any investment and without anything else. Many people around the world are doing this and they're earning a bunch of money every single minute. So I'm gonna show you some steps which you can follow step by step and can earn $5 every single minute. This website here says earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV and doing offers. So there are three methods shown on this website which let you earn $5 every single minute. So for the sake of this video we are going to concentrate on watching TV. Step number one, you need to come here to this website and create an account here for free. So you will need to enter your email address, your password and repeat your password. After that you are going to click on sign up now. After entering this information and clicking the sign up now button, you will be taken to another page where this website will ask you for some more details like your name, your city, your address and your country. Provide that information and complete your profile. Step number two, after creating your account on this website, you will need to click on this watch button and it will take you to this page where you can see two options for videos. One is hideout and another is Lootably. Click on the start button on Lootably and it will take you to another page where you can see all the tasks on Lootably. Step number three, when you click on the start button of Lootably, it will take you to the Lootably website where you can see all the tasks mentioned here and you can see the points that you can get by completing the tasks. Remember, there are several tabs like all, surveys, one-click, apps, videos, purchases and quizzes. So you will click on videos tab and it will list all the videos that you can watch and earn points. Once you earn a bunch of points, then you will be able to convert those points into gifts and cash. Step number three, after you collect a bunch of points, you will be able to convert them into gift cards and cash. So for converting your points into gift cards and cash, click on gift cards and cash under the rewards tab. You will be able to see a bunch of rewards here that you can convert your points to. For example, Roblox, KarmaCoin and PayPal. You can convert your points into PayPal and you can send all the money to the PayPal account. So as you can see, by following only 3 steps you can earn $5 every single minute from this website. Let me give you a bonus step. If you want to watch more videos at the same time, you can open several tabs on your browser and watch one video at each tab. This way you will be able to watch more and more videos at less amount of time and earn more money. Bonus tip number 2. You can click on surveys where you will be able to see all the surveys listed by several companies. These are the survey routers and companies that list their surveys for you that you can complete and earn different amount of points. As you can see, you can earn $5 every single minute by following a few steps. So if you want to earn more money online with different methods, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here, because we are going to find new ways for earning money and will bring to you the legitimate ways that you can use and earn money very easily online. So the website we were talking about is zoombucks.com that lets you complete surveys, watch TVs and do offers for earning points and later on convert those points into cash. Thanks for watching.